I like trains.
Hello everyone, as you can see I'm here in Ijamsville, Maryland at the Mussetter Road crossing on the CSX Old Main Line subdivision. Right now we have a B773 heading east, a loaded ethanol. No foreign power, but it's got good power nonetheless. Two YN2 AC44s on the head end, and then the third unit is CSX 1972, the Family Line system, which honestly I'm fine with the trailing because I haven't gotten a good shot of a YN2 in a long time, and as you can see the lighting is perfect. So the train is coming now, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Chase this to one more spot. I'm really spreading out my shots. I'm only gonna get a Newport Road, but in Woodbine, but it's fine. So it's 410 axles, 3 locomotives, and 98 loads. 96 ethanol loads and 2 sand buffers on each head. Well, 1 on each head, 2 total. And we should be seeing the end really soon. Traffic is backed up. Here's the last car. All right, off to our next and last spot we go. All right, we are now at Newport Road. Train is here now. Don't you dare cross. You moron. I have like a streak of seeing idiots cross the tracks as the train comes. It's against the law, guys. It is flying. Oh my God. Alright. Should be seeing the last car any second. B773 going to Baltimore from Chicago. Ethanol loads. Yep, the last car. Thanks for watching, everyone. And here from Newport Road crossing the Old Main. This is the Old Main guy signing off. Everyone watching this video, have a great day wherever you may be.
Man, train!